Hey YouTube, so I'm in the Miltons and I'm coming to a smoke shop. I want to see what they got. So far, they got like little games and shit. They got, I think this is like vapes, if I'm not mistaken. No weapons were used in the making of this video. But yeah, I'm just in here shopping quick. Doing my little vloggy life vlog. Trying to see what they got. I'm gonna get back to y'all because I'm about to actually look for shit. They got oils in here. I want to smell the oils and I want to see. Oh, they got hats in here, y'all. And I just got a hat. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Yeah, YouTube.
I'm not allowed.
Okay. I'm gonna end the video, y'all. So peace. YouTube, my snackies. I love y'all. I'm in the Turkey Hill and I like it. It's lit. It's friendly. I like the Milton so far. It's different. Alright, so I'm about to try the Peeler jar, the Bible jar. So we gonna try banana first. My cousin. Supposed to be trying to win my baby cousin, but she ain't getting me no mind. Shit. There she go. It's there. It's there. She can't eat pork though, right? Oh, that's so good. I did it. A 7.5. And this is, hold up, let me focus the camera. This is lychee.
Shakira and Charlie are Muslim, but they don't practice. And they had a fucking leader, so I don't know.
This one like an 8. Alright, I'm about to eat the rest of my snacks. I'm out. So, I just left Dollar General. I racked up on mad stuff, but the only thing is I don't want to do a car haul. So, I'm going to do a haul when I get in the house. I'm going to show y'all everything that I got, that I purchased. But I also have another haul that I'm going to do with y'all. It's a Temu haul. So, this vlog is mainly going to be, can y'all hear me? Because the heat is up real loud. Because it's cold in these mountains and we need to be warm. But I'm going to do a Temu haul with y'all. That will conclude the haul. And then I'm probably going to do like a hair vlog. Not a hair vlog with y'all, but like me just washing my hair, blow drying it, and then curling it up and then pinning it up. Because by that time, my net bonnets will be here, which is something that I had ordered when I had ordered like my sports bras from Temu. So we're gonna do a full haul, but I'm just checking in with y'all. And yeah, so y'all gonna see the haul of the stuff that I got today, and then y'all gonna see the haul for Temu, and that's gonna conclude the vlog. But I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next clip. Y'all know I always be looking crazy because I be running around, but when I get dressed up and when I get cute, y'all better watch y'all daddies. It's like, no, I'm just kidding y'all, but I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all. BESOS. So this is Dollar General haul. I got some essentials, so we gonna start. I got some sweet and sour chicken. I love these. They are key. I got some chicken fried rice. I wanted to try the sweet and sour chicken because I never had it, and then I got 2 chicken fried rices. Yep. I got 2 Gatorades because I need some electrolytes and I haven't really been getting none. I got some Dr. Teal's. I got black elderberry vitamin D and essential oils helps boost and renew the body. So I need this roll bed. And then I got some Suave cocoa butter and shea comforting. This is body wash, but I'm going to use it in the tub. And then Wild Cherry Blossom Uplifting. So this is for me and my cousin. Like, I just was grabbing stuff for me and my cousin because I'm like, why not? My favorite mini wontons, chicken and vegetable dumplings. I got some Yardley Epsom salt, eucalyptus cement. I love eucalyptus cement. If you know, you know. It just got this feel about it, and I use it on my wash rag. I got some tea tree oil. Most of this stuff was $1, by the way, y'all. I love tea tree oil. Down. I got another body wash. I got another body wash, coconut vanilla scented. This was $1, so I wanted to try it because it was $1. Why not? I got 2 rows of bobby pins because I am going to pin curl my hair. And I got a ginger ale, Sweetest ginger ale, however y'all say it, but you know the brand. I got me some more Vaseline, because you can just never go wrong with Vaseline. I got me $1. Mind you, these was $1, and most of the stuff I named was $1. I got some Crest toothpaste. I got some Kiss Mega Hole. It got messed up in the bag. Mega Hole nail glue. And I went ahead and got me some press-on nails because y'all know I love press-on nails. So I'm really trying to downsize my bags and stuff like that so that I can have room for like if I get other little stuff. But for real, I don't really need nothing else. I got underwear, I got lotion, I got deodorant, I got body wash, I got soap, I got Vaseline, shampoo and conditioner in my bag that I've been had that I barely even use. I used it one time. And then, yeah, like this basically concludes the vlog. I'm about to put all the groceries away. And then my cousin about to cook. So, you know, we about to be vibing, chilling. Me and my cousin just be talking. Like, we just be having a grand old time. And, yeah, I'm about to chill for the rest of the day. But I love y'all. Y'all probably seen this brow already. If y'all didn't, I love this brow. I've been feeling brown lately. I guess it's bouncing off of my cousin's aesthetic in her house because she has a lot of wood. And it's really like a cabin. And I love this type of vibe because we're in the mountains anyway. But this concludes the Dollar Tree haul. Then we got the Temu haul, and then we're done. But I love y'all so much, and I'm going to see y'all in the next clip. And be prepared for the Temu haul because it's gonna be really cute. I love y'all so much, and yeah, see y'all next clip. I just wanted y'all to see the fucking mountains. Like, do y'all see? That is so pretty. So pretty. Hold on, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all how pretty. Like, it's just so different up here. Even the air. I'm still a little under the weather, but, like, the adjustment is so soothing. I'm gonna get back with y'all, though. I just wanted y'all to see, like... Isn't this so cute? Y'all, like, I just like little trinkets and stuff, y'all know, like... Y'all, I just wanted y'all to see the snow. So pretty. I'm falling, but it's so pretty, y'all. It's coming down right now, too. Alright, I'm cooking my breakfast. See y'all later. So, y'all, here go my breakfast. It's chicken fried rice. It came out of one of those, like, frozen bowls in Dollar General. And then I got chicken dumplings, the mini ones. I wanted to show y'all. Good morning. Enjoy your day. So we about to do a Temu haul really quick. I'm still sick, y'all, and I really don't feel like doing this, but we about to do it because I want to do it because I'm kind of excited. So we about to do it. So yeah, let's go. I was going to get cute in one of my bras that I ordered and my Temu order, but I think it's coming in another package. But this is a Seaport charger. That's hair bonnets. I got me some earrings, and then they sent me some extra ones. And yo, my throat is really crazy. I got me some lingerie pieces. I don't know if I just said that. And then I got me some pasties. Y'all know I sell pasties, and I also have belly button rings on hand. But I love them earrings. And I think I'm about to try them on. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all, so what I wound up doing is trying on my lingerie pieces and kind of getting irked because I didn't have my bras yet. So I wound up trying on my earrings. I didn't like them either, but I guess that's because I need something to wear with them. I wound up washing and blow drying my hair again in the shower. I'm about to eat. This is the end of the vlog, the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm about to clean up
and do my big one, get some water. Still trying to heal from this cold. We're gonna do a separate vlog for the second part of the Temu haul, the bras, and then I got something else that I ordered. But I love y'all. Dom TV, we family. Do y'all like my hat? I like it, and it go with my shirt, like, you know, little color block situation. But I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna see y'all next vlog. So yeah, bye.